What the fuck? Alright, so slow and steady, we're making it. There's a bit of traffic going here. And a few flies flying around. Alright, okay. Alright, quickie. Slow and steady, we're making it. We're stopping every now and then to have a break because of the heavy rains. But now it's stopped and we only got 120 kilometers to go to Pocoras, so let's go!
As soon as we jumped on the bike, the rain started again.
Come on, I'm scared.
So I had the amazing idea to outrun the rain.
Yeah.
Which kind of worked.
He literally just said, if